other end of the paddy field.
Well, then ask him to ring me back, please.
Acha, wait, I'll get something to write.
Oh, he knows the number.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
674310, and I'd like him to ring me back at once.
Yes, well, of course. He may have been to the toilet and went straight off.
Well, I'd like to know what to do about the police.
Police?
I think I ring them back and say he's all right.
No, don't do anything.
What is it?
Don't do anything.
I must go.
Don't go anywhere.
Sanjay!
Bye bye. I think उनकी अड्डे देने आ गई है.
He hit him.
What? That fellow hit Jogi?
No, Jogi hit him.
Oh shit, where is he now?
I don't know. He got in his car and drove off.
Oh shit.
I just hope he's not chasing that poor reporter.
No, I think he's gone round the...
Gone and where?
Round around the garden like a teddy bear. Skeptically everywhere.
I'm going to get dressed first. Then I'll sort Jogi out.
I'm sorry अगर मैं गलत पथ पर आया हूँ Mrs. Singh.
Oh, it's all right. Is it about my husband?
Yes, it is. You spoke to me earlier at the Kalkaji police station, Inspector Rathod.
Oh, excuse me.
Of course.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Hello.
It's me again, the farmer.
Oh,
Look, I've got to be quick because the pig is about to deliver.
Mr. Mali, I'd like to speak to Mr. Singh.
Yes, he'll be with you any minute. So whatever you do not contact the police.
Well, there is a police inspector here now.
What? Tell the police it's okay.
Hello?
अरे पुलिस वालों से कहिए सब ठीक ठाक है.
Police?
Police? No, I'm not interested in joining the police force. Bloody job center. भाभी जी, I asked you to खुला.
Right. I'm going to look for Jogi. I think that bang on the head's done more damage than we realized.
भाभी जी.
Anything the matter, Mrs. Singh?
No, I don't think so.
Now, you spoke to me earlier concerning your husband, and we have done a check of all the nearby hospitals.
Well, it's all right. I've already contacted him.
Oh, good. But there are still one or two things I'd like straightened out.
Okay.
Bond! Joginder Bond! Hello, darling!
Hello.
Sorry, I'm a bit late.
How did you get here so quickly?
No traffic?
Oh, you're here.
It's fine, it's nothing.
Oh, Jogu, this inspector is from Kalkaji police.
Kalkaji police.
Inspector Rathod.
Well, I'm here now, fit and fine, safe and sound. Thanks for calling.
There are still a couple of points, sir.
Oh, well, I'm not feeling too good actually. Bang the whole head, you know.
Yes, handbags, wasn't it?
Handbags?
Joginder Pal Singh, Casualty Department, Safdang Hospital. Concussion and bruising. Cause of injury, ladies' handbag.
Jogu? What a coincidence!
Coincidence, sir?
Two Joginder Pal Singhs. Both getting their heads bashed on the same day.
This one's not you.
No, mind you, Joginder Pal Singh, common name. You can see it is not me. This fellow got involved with an old lady, two muggers and a handbag. I got my head on an old oak beam.
So you were not there in Malvinagar in early hours this morning?
No.
Driving your tourist taxi?
Taxi?
Says here, ये आदमी tourist car company का मालिक है.
What?
What a coincidence! According to your notes, this fellow was released from Safdarjung Hospital at 8:30 a.m. this morning.
That's right.
Couldn't be me then. I called you. Didn't I let you? From the farm at the time?
Yes, you did. But there's something funny about that farm though.
It was a bit of a funny farm. Thanks for going through all this trouble, Inspector.
There is something else, sir.
Yes.
Our colleagues in Malvinagar took this other Mr. Joginder Pal Singh home to an address in Malvinagar.
He probably lives in Malvinagar.
Yes, but the hospital in their records have his address as Kalkaji. E101 Kalkaji.
That's our address, Jogu.
Now that is a coincidence.
That's what I thought.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
The reason Safdarjung Hospital have this other Jogi Singh's address as mine here is because I was in the hospital a couple of days before and they got the records confused.
Oh, you didn't mention this, me too.
It wasn't serious, Mittu. I just went into their casualty department. You see, I was checking the plugs of my taxi and I got my head in on the bonnet.
You're damn lucky with your head, aren't you?
Yes, I'm always doing it. I was in and out of the place in 5 minutes. But of course, they took down all my particulars. That explains it, doesn't it?
Does it?
Of course! See, the hospital has both my address from the other day and the address of the other Joginder Pal Singh from this morning. Naturally, the other Joginder Pal Singh asked the police to take in address in Malvinagar very days. But when the hospital has asked for the address, they look at the wrong page in their calculator. You can see Joginder Pal Singh, taxi operator, nature service, don't give you my Kalkaji. Not realizing on the very next page of the address of the other Joginder Pal Singh, taxi operator, nature service, just come to Malvinagar.
think it explains it all then.
Yes. You can close the file.
I'm sorry to put you to this trouble, Inspector.
Quite all right, madam.
I'll see you out.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, sir, your head.
Yes.
Where did you get the injury treated?
You mean the lakkad wali chot or the bonnet wali chot?
Your lakkad wali chot, sir. Your most recent misfortune. Which hospital treated that?
They did. The farmer's wife is an ex-nurse and she fixed it.
He really shouldn't be driving, Sanjay. मुझे उसे रोक देना चाहिए था.
He'll be all right, Bhabhi ji.
I am going to ring that Inspector Thakur at Malviya Nagar Police.
No, I don't think you should.
He wrote his number somewhere here. Yes, said we could speak to him or any one of his men.
Jogi would be very upset if you involve the police.
I am just worried what he might go and do. They should have kept him in the hospital for observation.
Yup.
Hello, this is Meera Singh speaking.
Huh?
Hello, is that Malviya Nagar Police Station? Hello?
क्या हुआ?
Don't know, someone answered. But now all I can hear is heavy breathing.
Hello, Sanjay Mali here.
Huh?
Still breathing anyway.
Hello, anybody there?
Bhabhi ji, which number did you dial?
That one, 674310.
Allow me. Hello, Sanjay Mali here. Mali Nagar, come in Mali Nagar.
What the hell is going on?
There you are. Trouble on the switchboard. May I speak to one of the Thullas?
Dhullas?
Or the inspector if he's there?
अबे संजय तू पागल हो गया है?
No, nothing like that. Look, on behalf of Mrs. Singh, she's concerned about her husband's behavior.
How the hell did you get this number?
Let me speak to him. Hello, Havaldar. Can someone get Inspector Thakur for me, please? Hello? Sanjay? Sanjay? Hello, Dad. Hi, Precious.
You bet. Can't stay though.
Can't stay.
No. Got to get back on the road.
Don't be silly. It's CDWB.
CDWB.
Cuddly Day with Bindu.
Cuddly Day with Bindu.
Why did you do that?
I don't want this to be disturbed.
Oh, you are in a hurry, are you?
You bet.
Yes, I thought I ought to explain you, Inspector.
ये तो बहुत अफसोस की बात है.
You walked in right in the middle of the phone call, you see. Mrs. Singh was shattered.
Bound to be. I'm glad that you told me.
And worse, when you it suddenly like that.
Both are grandparents,
Both.
isn't it? Tauba, meri tauba.
Tauba teri tauba.
And that too on a trekking holiday.
Both in their teens, mind you.
Still, not a nice way to go. Over the side of the mountain.
So you still wanted to see Mr. Singh again, did you?
Yes, I did actually. It appears there is some confusion over Mr. Singh's address.
Is there?
As to whether it is Malviya Nagar or Kalka ji. Kalka ji. Mr. Singh ne socha it's all a silly mistake on a part of hospital.
Probably was.
No, it wasn't. When I got back to station, I had Kalka ji police on to say that another Joginder Pal Singh was residing in that place in Kalka ji.
No.
E101 Kalka ji.
Hey Bhagwan.
And that's the same address as they had at the hospital.
It's a puzzle, isn't it?
So, do you know the present whereabouts of our Mr. Singh?
No. He's on the job at the moment.
Driving his tourist taxi, you mean?
Yes.
I'll go back and call this other Mr. Singh.
Call on him.
In Kalka ji.
Do you think you should?
It's only the next thana.
But outside your jurisdiction, sir.
Just a social call, Mr. Mali. Just a social call.
Hello.
It's me again.
अबे अब क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
Look, it's no good getting angry at me. I'm just the guy's got a flat absence.
Sanjay, I was starting my cuddly day with Bindu.
अच्छा साले, fiddling while Qutub Minar is shaking, huh? Good to see you.
ठाकुर?
Yes, the policeman who was here this morning
वो यहाँ है?
to see Joginder Pal Singh.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
And Meera has searched out looking for you.
क्या?
Darling.
Thanks for calling Mr. Mali, and if I know of anyone who needs that many cucumbers, I'll put them in touch. I asked you, 2.5 acres of cucumbers.
Not that idiot farmer again.
Don't worry, he won't bother us anymore.
Come on, Peachy Pie.
Hello, Jogi.
No, I have decided I am taking you out.
Out?
Yes, why not? We'll have lunch at the little restaurant down the corner, bottle of beer, and then back home to spend the afternoon in bed. I'll get dressed.
Hello?
It's me again, the farmer.
Mr. Mali, I'd like to speak to my husband, please.
I can't allow you.
Hello, Mr. Mali. I doubt very much if my husband will be able to help you. Cucumber just isn't his line.
No, it's about potatoes this time.
We don't want any potatoes.
Come on, darling, quickly.
What about this farmer?
He called again.
Yeah.
Acha, you get dressed in the bedroom. You really have to stop calling me Mr. Mali.
It's about Meera.
Oh, your cow, yes. Haan, bata.
I'll get dressed and see if I can find Meera.
Good, thank you.
What's the matter?
It might be the police again.
No, what? It's all right.
Different policeman, I mean. Bond. Joginder Bond. Mona, I'll go down the back stairs and I'll meet you outside the restaurant. If it's the police, just confirm what happened to me at the farm, and if they have to meet me, they will have to make an appointment.
Darling, are you sure your head's all right?
Not sure of anything at the moment. All right, I'll see you outside the restaurant. You will recognize me. I'll be wearing exactly what I'm wearing now.
Bhabhi ji. Meera bhabhi. Meera.
सॉरी सर, सब दरवाजे खुले थे।
अच्छा, क्या काम है?
इंस्पेक्टर राठौर।
मालूम है पुलिस?
No, Kalka ji actually.
Kalka ji?
Yes, I was just doing a spot of checking, that's all. Heavy official.
Oh yes,
Concerning a namesake of yours.
mine.
Bit of a surprise, Mr. Singh.
Yes.
It's all a matter of coincidence. This other Mr. Singh is a tourist taxi operator too.
No.
Only he lives in Kalka ji.
No.
Joginder Pal Singh, E101 Kalka ji.
No.
And this comes like I'm talking to him.
Oh, Teri.
I thought you'd be surprised.
Oh yes.
Now you must be wondering what I actually want from you.
I am rather, yes.
It's just confirmation really of the cause of your head injury.
Oh, well, I'm a quick electric tender, you see. Ah!
Not surprising, is it? Must have been quite a blow you received.
Oh, well, yes, actually, they made it very solid in the 16th century.
Handbag?
Yes, I thought one of the policemen said it was antique.
An antique handbag? Well, that seems to explain everything.
Does it? Right. If you will then excuse me, Inspector, I was just about to go to bed.
Bed?
Yes, it's Wednesday morning. CWW.
CWW?
Kuchiku with wife.
CWW?
Hello, darling. Nice to see you back again, Meera. Nothing much has happened since you've been gone. Absolutely nothing. I was just about to leave you this note, Mary Jaan.
Dear Meera, everything okay? Suggest you go to bed? All the very best. See you soon. Yours.
CWW. Oh, I am terribly sorry. May I introduce Inspector Rathore?
Inspector Rathore, Kalka ji.
Is it about Jogi?
Yes, it is.
Is Jogi all right?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, I think so.
Have you spoken to him then?
Yes?
Yes, he has.
When?
When what?
When did you talk to Jogi?
Well, just now.
Just now?
Oh, yes. It must have been. Well, it was, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Where?
Where? What, dear?
Where did you talk to Jogi?
I was standing here and he was standing
Standing about here.
I have been looking everywhere for him.
Have you?
Well, where is he now? My husband. Where is he?
Yes. Oh, where is he? What's his position?
Sanjay?
Sanjay's gone to school with Jaan.
What?
Yes, I gave the little chap his cornflakes and saw him onto the bus. now, dear. You are happy too, aren't you?
Yes, I'm quite satisfied, Mrs. Singh, now that I've talked to him.
Him?
Me, yes. You wanted to talk to me. A nice little chat, it's all okay now.
Well, you are not. Is it the evening paper?
Yes, it is.
Anything in it about last night's mugging?
Front page.
Front page, huh? You got a hero for a husband, Mrs. Singh?
What a dreadful picture. I look like a bhenji. Mind you, Jogida looks like a bigger jalla.
La 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 What was in Inspector?
Have you been drinking?
I don't think he said that, did you? But it's a good idea. How about a cup of tea, dear?
Don't you hear me?
I'm sorry about this. We've been through a lot this morning.
Sanjay!
Sanjay won't be home till after school, dear.
What?
Unless they have kept the little chap in again, naughty Sanjay.
What the hell is the matter with you?
Naughty for me, thank you.
I am going to remain very calm.
That's a very good idea, dear.
Is there something about Jogi you are not telling me?
I don't think so, no.
No,
Then you shut up.
I don't think you should talk to me like that, Laddu.
Look. Young center.
If you're having a domestic discussion, I'll be on my way.
Good idea.
You stay here, Inspector. You upstairs.
Meera, I'm only trying to help.
Get out.
I can make a phone call tonight.
Out.
Just a quick one.
If you don't go, I'll have you bloody well infected.
We play this silly game all the time, Inspector.
Now then, Mrs. Singh, I don't think you should send him packing like that.
He is a bloody nuisance.
We all have these little rifts. Today has been a bit of a strain. I'm sure things will be all right after a puppy and chappi. Never fails. So do what you were planning to do and spend the morning together in bed.
I was planning no such thing.
But he was.
Was he? Well, let me assure you, the last thing I do is jump into bed with that khota.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I don't indulge in that sort of a thing.
I'm sorry to hear that too.
What sort of a wife do you think I am?
I really don't know.
Once you have got no marriage at all.
It takes all sorts, I suppose.
Yes.
I am surprised that you ended up with little Sanjay.
I don't intend to end up with little Sanjay. The way he's been acting this morning, the sooner he's put away, the better.
No. The young fellow just needs physical love and lots of.
Here, but it's okay.
Police?
From Kalkaji.
Yes.
You want to speak to him?
No, thanks.
The policeman is very happy, so it's okay.
Oh, good. Is Sanjay about?
Sanjay, I think, has been drinking. Oh, Jesus.
He's at a lot of content this morning, darling.
The sooner he goes away and gets up with that stupid girlfriend of his, the better.
You calm down. I'm on my way home right now.
Yes, you hurry up back home. Then straight to bed.
Great. I'll be 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Bye.
I am happy that you and your husband have finally patched it up.
Patched what up?
That's it. Don't keep grudges. That's what kept me and my missus going for the last 20 years. Well, I'll be off then, Mrs. Singh. Don't bother to see me out.
I'm sorry if it's been a bit hectic here this morning.
All in a day's work, Mrs. Singh. All in a day's work. And a little word of advice about Sanjay. Just pull his trousers down and give him the treatment.
I'm so sorry, Laddu.
I've been waiting in that restaurant for 10 minutes.
I said I'm sorry. We must have missed each other. I went back there to look for you.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear. Did you deal with the police?
What police?
Just now.
No, that wasn't the police.
Wasn't it?
No, we've got new neighbors upstairs. They wanted some milk and I gave them yesterday's chocolate cake as well.
You mean the police haven't been here yet?
No, not that I know of. Not the inspector since morning.
Oh dear.
Well, I'm going to make some coffee, sit quietly for 5 minutes and read the paper.
No. Don't let's hang around here. After lunch, we'll go back to bed. Read the papers and have a lovely... Ah!
What on earth's the matter?
What's the matter with what?
You just looked at the front page and practically died.
I say,
Something awful's happened, hasn't it?
yes, Hillary Clinton is expecting a baby.
Yes.
That's what Bill says.
Let's have a look.
No,
Don't be silly.
no, it's fine, this paper.
Actually, it's fine.
No, I want it. I need it.
I want it, I need it, I got it. What on God's name are you doing?
It is a newspaper.
Door was open again. I told you I would get familiar.
That's okay.
And you must be this lovely lady. Am I interrupting anything? Don't worry, don't rush it, honey. By the way, I am Bobby. Bobby Franklin from upstairs. How do you do?
From upstairs.
Never mind if you're in the middle of eating.
I'm really sorry about this.
Look, honey, you don't have to say sorry. I'm all for something different. Thanks for the chocolate cake. It was really nice.